Imagine a place where doctors perform surgeries without anesthesia, where frostbitten limbs were shattered like glass, and entire villages were infected with deadly diseases, all in the name of science. This place was real. It was called Unit 731, and for decades, the world wasn't allowed to talk about it. During World War II, hidden in Harbin, China, the Japanese Imperial Army built a massive military research center. But behind the walls, they weren't creating medicine. They were perfecting torture. Today, we uncover the truth the world tried to bury. Unit 731 was founded by General Shiro Ishii, a man obsessed with biological warfare. Thousands of civilians were kidnapped and brought here. Their names erased. Their identities replaced with one word, Maruta, meaning logs. Because to the scientists, they were human test subjects, nothing more. Here are the horrors that took place inside. 1. Live dissections. Doctors performed vivisections on conscious prisoners, cutting them open alive to watch diseases spread in real time. 2. Frostbite experiments. Victims were marched into the snow, their arms soaked in water, exposed until frozen solid. Researchers struck the limbs with sticks, listening for the hollow sound that meant the flesh was dead. Then, they tried different treatments, often ending in amputation. Biological weapon testing Unit 731 bred millions of plague-infected fleas. These insects were dropped over Chinese villages, causing outbreaks of anthrax, cholera, and the bubonic plague. Entire communities were wiped out. Weapon trials on humans, from grenades to flamethrowers. Prisoners were tied to stakes and used as live testing material. Forced infection experiments. Men and women were deliberately infected with dangerous diseases and later dissected to observe internal damage. All of this was recorded as scientific research. As Japan began losing the war, soldiers received a final order: destroy everything. Buildings were blown apart, documents burned, prisoners killed to silence the truth. Unit 731 vanished overnight, or so they hoped. When the US discovered what happened here, you might expect trials, punishment, justice. Instead, something else happened. The US granted full immunity to Unit 731 scientists in exchange for their research data. Even though that data was built on torture, Shiro Ishii died a free man. Not one doctor was ever punished. Today, the ruins of Unit 731 still stand, cold, silent, and heavy with memories that refuse to fade. This isn't just dark history. It's a warning of what humans become when morality disappears. If you want more dark stories like this, subscribe and comment more dark history.